Alright, we in this beat right now. It's like, no, we ain't using no beat. About the acapella in this bitch.
Let's go.
Acapella, let's go.
All day.
Let's go.
West Side Riders. LIB niggas all day.
Get them.
I say I'm Willow. I'm strong enough to beat you to death with a fucking pillow. Niggas act tough, but they sweet like Jello. I'm a West Coast nigga. Fuck with me and I pull that motherfucking trigger.
Get them.
I said, all them hoes love us. They say we fly. We stack that cheese up and we get fried. Paper chasers. Yeah, we grinding. The niggas mad hating on us cause we shining. Paper chase all day, we ballin'. Paper chase all night, but we ain't falling. We get that mugger right. That niggas mad late. And if spinning around like fucking bad late. Good, right?
Get him. Get him.
Nigga.
I said, come
Get him. We fucking around, dog.
Raya. I did that hot fire. Why you can come in Soraya? I be going in, I be going hard. I be getting brands like a fucking troll. High as shit. I'm at the top. Why you think I got that click? I got the pop. Girls on my dick. She about to drop. I don't give a fuck. I just let her suck till she get off. I just like.
Yeah. Think.
Listen. I said, I'm a beast. I'm all one out dog. I put my gun out, I hit it east. I don't give a fuck what you say. I do what I do and you do what I say. I can get high. Got the Nike checks on. If you want to bring your shit, we can get flex on. I got checks from head to toes. Nigga, fuck with me and see how I roll. Hit the beat hard or I can go slow. I'm a beast when I go everywhere I roll. Every time niggas go on my dick, I'm like, oh, no, I only fuck hoes. So if you bring your bitch, we gon' have to go in my crib. You know I do it. I just go slow. Chill, I get my money. Whoa. I was on that shit. I was having hoe. Hold up, chill. I'm back.
Oh shit. That was up.
I said, listen, I said, I'm a West Side Rider. This is my zone. Fucking outsider.
What?
Nigga, I'm a goon. No, I'm a goblin. Nigga talk shit, we gon' have a fucking problem. You dig? I go hard in the paint.
What?
Like Waka Flocka, nigga, don't try to creep. Cause I sleep with my Glock, and my block is fucking hot. So where your fucking sando? I bust a gat in your ass through my window. Where he at? I just caught a body. I don't fuck around, nigga. Shooting is my hobby. I ain't scared of nobody. But God, roll up that motherfucking blunt. Let's get high.
That shit fuck.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Listen. I said, we ball hard. Fuck with me, I tell them just get a guard. Got my gun hard on the flank when I walk. The John Walls. Do you really want to fuck me hard?
You really do got the John Walls though.
Like, fuck with me. I'm on that shit. Like, what you want to know? I got the Glock with the K. Wanna fuck with me? I got the key with the rays. Open the door and we...
Shit, we down here in the Betty God basement. LIB, aka Roberto Bazzini.
All day, West Coast all day.
All day, LIB goes in the shit. We going hard.
Yeah.
215.
West Side, LIB all day.
We riding, dog. Tell your bitch not to get on none of these niggas' dick cause they got Casal stick, dog.
That's that crazy shit.
We fucking around, dog. I said tell your girl, nigga.